Today we're talking about how to make a video for your business. Hey guys, Michael from Busy Media. Welcome back to this third video in the series. This one is super important, super powerful, and if you ignore all the other videos and just use this video, then you're going to be good, right? So in this video today, what we're talking about is what you need to get started. We're going to be talking about ways that you can use your video. We're going to be talking about the content or the things that you should say in your video. We're also going to be talking about editing your video, and then finally where you can use your video online. This is going to be a super cool one. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. It's only going to be a short one, but it's going to be a goodie. Guys, making video is so easy these days. All you really need to get started is a mobile phone or a camera of some sort. We've got them all over the place now. We've got them in our phones, we've got them in our computer screens. Literally, they're everywhere. So it is super easy to get started. Other than your mobile phone, all you need is a really quiet spot, right? So make sure you're not cooking, make sure the TV's not on in the background, make sure you're not playing music or there's loud conversations or the dog's barking and things like that. Go somewhere as quiet as possible. And then the other thing is make sure you've got enough light on your face so people can see you. If you're outside, that's great. Try not to go into shadowy or dark places, but just make sure that you've got some kind of light on your face so that people can see you. But that's the most important thing. The sound quality is good, it's not too loud, and the light quality is good. Now, a lot of people out there don't make videos because for some reason they're really scared to get started. In the past, it has been expensive to produce and edit videos, people with big fancy cameras and things like that, but now it's just oh so easy. So if you're not using video, you're missing out, right? Now, a good way you can use video is to tell people what your business offer is. You can use video to give people a bit of an insight to your business. People like to see what's going on behind closed doors, so you can show them around your premises. You can tell them all about you and your journey and how you got started. People love that, right? And these are great to use on your website as well. The main purpose of the video that we're going to start with today is to get people to know about you, to like you, to trust you, to see who you are, and we're going to make people an offer at the end with a call to action, okay? Because we want people to see your video, to watch your video, and then if they want to do business with you, to know what to do next, or we want to try and entice them to do business with an offer. So here's a little 5-step formula that you can use in your video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to call out the people that we're speaking to in the video. So for example, I'm here in Sydney. So if I wanted to sell, for example, a website, I would call those people out. Hey, business owners in Sydney. Right? So that's calling out. You call out your market. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the problem that they might be having. If you're a hairdresser, you might be talking about bad hair day. If you're a beautician, you might be talking about you need your nails done. Or if you're a plumber, you might be talking about, do you have drain or plumbing issues? Whatever it is, you know your business, right? But you need to call out the problem that people are having and address who you're serving. Okay, that's it. Real easy. For me, it'll be something like, hey, business owners, do you have a website that's not actually bringing you customers? Right, something along those lines. So then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to our how do we talk about our business video, and we're going to take those 5 steps that we use there and we're going to pull them into this video. Okay, so those 5 steps are: who do you serve, what problem do you solve, how do you solve it, what makes you different, and then the 5th thing is what's the benefit behind what makes you different. So you can go back and watch video 2 if you want to catch up on all of those things, but we're going to take all of those and put them into the video. Okay, and then finally what we're going to do is we're going to give people an offer. All right, so you might have a certain offer in your business that's really cool. That might sound something like this. Hey guys, we've got a special offer on websites this month. We're going to do you a full website, full custom website for just $1,000. It's usually valued at $2,500. Okay, so for an example, that might be an offer. You should create an offer in your business that's going to attract customers, right? So we've got the offer, and then the final thing that we need is the call to action. So what's that step that you want to get people into your business? It could be you might want them to fill out a form so you can get their details. You might just want them to give you a call so that they can make an appointment or book your business in. Or you might want them to turn up. Or if you're a restaurant, you might want them to make a booking online. Whatever it is, people need one action to take, not 5, not 3. Don't give them options. Just give them one action that they can take to do business with you, all right? And that's a strong call to action. So really, that's all you need to talk about in your video, okay? The next thing you need is just to edit it. Now, we don't have time on this video to go over all the editing, all the ways that you can edit your video, but it's easy. Yeah, I use a piece of software called Camtasia. I'm on a Mac, and it's fantastic. You can actually find in the App Store, you can find software to edit your videos on the app, or there's also free software out there. My computer comes with iMovie for free. There might be some free software in your computer, or if not, just Google free video editing software and find a piece of software where you can put your video in, chop it up, add some music if you want, and then it'll pull out a nice high quality video for you, okay? So that's the editing part of it. It's really simple. Don't get overwhelmed by all the different stuff that's out there. Just go out and find a simple piece of editing software to cut and edit your video. Just to recap, one of the best places to put your video, of course, is on the first page of your website, above the fold. When people come to your website, a video is a really cool way to attract them in. Another place you can use your video is on your Facebook business page. Do you remember at the top where everyone puts that Facebook image? Well, I'm not sure if you knew this or not, but now you can put up to 90 seconds of video there. So that's a top spot to put your business video. You can also use your video on YouTube. You can use it to get customers with YouTube ads. Of course, all over your social media, you can put your video as well, including Google My Business. They now accept video too. So there are so many places where you can utilize your video and drive traffic to your business. Guys, just to finish up, here's some other helpful ways that you can use video for your business. One of the things that I love to do is do helpful tips in my niche, right? And you can do the same thing as well. People love to get helpful hints and tips when they're looking for a certain type of service. And if you can help people out with a video, a helpful video, then you're going to get good brownie points. You're going to get likability, trustability, and build some authority with your potential customers. Guys, that's it. We're going to wrap this one up right here. But before we go, I just want to let you know that video is super powerful. Don't be bogged down by all the little bits because it's so easy to do it. And the most powerful thing you can do right now for your business is just go out there and make a video today, all right? It may not be perfect, but who cares? Just make another one if you need to, but get started on it, all right? Don't leave it for later because you'll probably never do it. Get started today, become good at creating videos, and I'm telling you, it will really help your business. So if you've liked this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon so that we can let you know when we upload new marketing videos for you. And keep an eye out for the next video in the series. It is super hot. It's how to add your business to Google My Business. I'm Mike from Busy Media. Have an awesome day and we'll see you next time.